Understanding Zopa Fixed Saver is a straightforward process that can help you make informed decisions about your savings. To start, Zopa is a peer-to-peer lending company that offers a range of savings products, including the Fixed Saver account. This account allows you to earn a fixed rate of interest on your savings over a set period of time. The key concept to understand is that the Fixed Saver account is a type of savings account that provides a fixed rate of return, which means you will earn a guaranteed amount of interest over the term of the account. The interest rate is determined by the length of time you choose to fix your savings for, with longer terms typically offering higher interest rates. To get started with Zopa Fixed Saver, you will need to open an account and deposit your savings. You can then choose the term length that suits you, ranging from 1 to 5 years. It is essential to note that you will not be able to access your savings during the fixed term, so you should only save what you can afford to lock away. A practical example of how Zopa Fixed Saver works is if you deposit £1,000 into a 2-year Fixed Saver account with an interest rate of 2%. At the end of the 2-year term, you will have earned £40 in interest, making your total savings £1,040. Best practices for using Zopa Fixed Saver include starting with a smaller amount to test the product, reading and understanding the terms and conditions, and considering your financial goals and needs before opening an account. It is also crucial to be aware of the risks associated with peer-to-peer lending, including the potential for borrowers to default on their loans. In conclusion, Zopa Fixed Saver is a savings product that offers a fixed rate of return over a set period of time. By understanding how it works, choosing the right term length, and being aware of the risks, you can make the most of this product and achieve your savings goals. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and consider seeking advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the product.